Hi, and welcome to Fusion 360 tutorial. Today, you'll be learning how to access additional electronic component libraries that are available while working on the Fusion 360 schematic editor. From the schematic editor, we'll go ahead and click on the Add command. This will bring up the Add dialog box with a list of the libraries that are currently available. To access additional libraries, I'll click on the button located at the bottom of the Add dialog box that says Library Manager. When the Library Manager dialog opens up, you're going to notice that at the top there are three tabs. The first tab is the list of current libraries that are being used in this design. On the left side of the name of each library, there's a space in which have a symbol indicating if this library has updates. For our example, all the libraries that I'm using are currently up to date. Now, let's explore the next tab called In Use. These are all the libraries that we saw when we used the Add command in the schematic. Now, let's go over to the Available tab. This is why I really wanted to make this tutorial. In the Available tab is a list of additional libraries. At the bottom of the dialog box, there's an option called Show Local Libraries. These are libraries that have been already downloaded, but I don't have them in use. Deselecting this option will now include libraries that I've downloaded and the ones that I have not downloaded. The list of libraries have multiple columns labeled Name, Version, Manage Folder, and Description. I like to recommend that you list the available libraries by Manage Folders. Eagle PCB Manage Folder are handled by our team as well as the Fusion libraries. We have granted access to Manage Library System to distributors and manufacturers such as SparkFun, TE, and Worth, and many more will be joining us in the future. In the center of the dialog box, there's a search option. Type in the name that will reference the library that you're looking for. For our example, I'll go ahead and type Connector. The results are now listed. Select the library that you would like to use on your current design. At the right side of the dialog box, click on the button that says Use. X out of this dialog box and you'll see that the library is now available. Expand the library to explore its content. Those symbols that you see to the left side of the name of each library is just indicating that there's actually a 3D model assigned to this footprint. Select one of the components and click OK. Now it's available to be placed on the schematic. All this and more with Fusion 360.